Now let's learn some new notation. So we've been learning about the log function, log base a of x. So in our numbering system, we operate with 10 digits. And so 10 is the common base that we would use. And so our common logarithm is when we're using base 10. Because 10 is the common base that we would use, then we're going to let 10 be assumed if we don't even put a base down there with the log. So in other words, log of x, the log of x, means that we're after the log in base 10 of x. And so if we were trying to evaluate, we can use a calculator to find these values on log of 1,000. Actually, that one we should be able to do just knowing that a log is an exponent. We're wondering what exponent did we put on 10 that gives us 1,000. Well, the exponent we would put on 10 that gives us 1,000 would be a 3. This one's going to be 3, but we'll just show how to get that on a calculator now. So right here on the lower part is your log key. So right at the bottom we have the log key. So just down here it says log. You'll push log and then 1,000. And so now we've got log 1,000, and that gives us 3. And now we're going to do log of 142, and that gives us 2.152288344. And we'll do the log of 0.005832, and that will give us a negative value, negative 2.23418245. So let me add these other numbers in here that I didn't write yet. So for 142, it's approximately, the log of 142 is approximately 2.152288344, and the log of 0.005832 is going to be about negative 2.23418245. So I'm going to point out that if our base is, remember the base is the a, and here our base is a 10. When our base is a number that's bigger than 1, it's not a fraction that's less than 1, it's a number bigger than 1, then a base a logarithm of numbers that are between 0 and 1 are always going to be negative. So if we're taking a base a logarithm of some number that's less than 1, but positive still, of course we can't take them for negative numbers, then we're going to get a negative value for that. And then a base a logarithm of numbers that are greater than 1, like the 142 and the 1,000, those are always going to be positive numbers. So we get positive values if our input is greater than 1, if our argument is greater than 1, but if our argument is a number less than 1, of course it had to be greater than 0, but less than 1, then our output, our exponent that we put on 10, is going to be a negative value.